Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Muhammad Qamar. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope so that you are all fine. I'll be very fine. Today is finally the day 17 of our challenge, and as you know that we have started a challenge of 3 years in which we will try to learn the complete machine learning from very basics to very advanced inshallah. And yeah, this is our day 17 and we are learning we have started from Python, and so far we have done the Python sets, and now inshallah today we will learn Python dictionaries completely. I will try to do it completely. And let me tell you something that is actually I don't think so how to use the word in English for it, but I don't know actually the word, what is the word. But actually this is my fifth time I am recording the video, and actually I was recording through the OBS so far. If you have been watching my channel from at least from a week, I guess. So yeah, we have actually today's day 17, so you can say that this is our day 20 of our YouTube channel, right? And so far I was actually recording the videos using OBS recorder, but the OBS recorder is not actually working anymore. It is right now installed in my laptop. I did not deleted it, but actually it is not working. When I start recording videos, it becomes laggy and it records my voice, but not the video. The video just, you can say, lag at one screen, and it shows just one screen but records my voice. Yeah, and another thing is that right now I am recording my screen using the pre-installed screen recorder that is already installed. You can say that pre-installed with the Microsoft Windows, actually, I guess. Yeah, I don't think so. Actually, yeah, my English is not that good, and I'm trying to speak in English, so you have to focus on the topics which we are going to learn today, not on my English. Inshallah, I hope I will uh, improve my English as well. So yeah, today we are actually not going to use the VS Studio, Visual Studio. Actually, we are going to use the uh, online Python interpreter. Okay, you can see that IDE, integrated development environment for Python, actually. So yeah, let's start the video without wasting our time. By the way, I am uploading my whole code here on my GitHub, so you can get the link from the description. And also the challenge we have started is going to be here in Python. The Python we are doing and we have done so far is already I have uploaded all the files here on my GitHub repository, Python by Muhammad Qamar. Okay, yeah, start doing Python dictionary. So first of all I have to make a folder, and not actually here we can't make a folder, and wait for it. Okay, if I can rename it. Okay, I can't rename it, but I can make a new one and give it name as Python Dictionaries. Okay, no, I'm not going to just write it here, but instead I will write it here. Hello, I want to change its name, Python Dictionaries, and here I'm going to just .py. I use the .py, and yeah, that's it. Of course, here what is here? Open file from disk. No, I'm not going to open file from disk. So we have created the file here, and actually this is the online uh, environment, and I am using it, I guess, for the first time. Not for the first time, but I have used it. uh, Not I haven't used it. So yeah, I am new to this. Just as usual, here W3 School is giving an example of what is a dictionary, like how the dictionary looks like in Python. Here you can see we are using the curly brackets just like we use in the sets, but in the sets we use single values, while in the dictionaries we are using uh, keys, then colon, and then its value. So on the left side we are writing the key, and on the right side we are writing the value of the key. We will study this in very depth, so don't worry about that. But first of all, we have to write this. It means we have to make uh, a dictionary, right? So this is a dictionary of a car, brand Ford, model Mustang, and year is 1964. The variable in which we have stored this dictionary is named this dict. Okay, so we are going to just make subject, save the current file only, save all the files as the file. Okay, for right now I will just cancel it. Actually, I am not just saving it right now, I am just um, writing subject of our file, right, as usual we do. So here I will write Python dictionaries, and yeah, for dictionaries, oh sorry, or we can say that dictionaries in Python. I am trying to speak only English today in today's video, and maybe from today or from now we all of our videos I will try to make in English. And yeah, so the author name is Muhammad Qamar. I am Muhammad Qamar, and today's date is 29. Okay, 29 July 2025. All right, I have to make comments. So okay, here shortcuts are also working here, just like we have to select the line we are trying to make it comment, and then press the control button along with forward slash, so we can comment in and comment out. Okay, so I am going to comment it in. So now this is all of our headers, to headers, not headers, but this is what we write. Actually, I am going to make a variable this dict called this dict and store a dictionary. So for to make a dictionary, actually it is an empty dictionary. It is not a set. Okay, by the way, if you think that it is a set, no, this is not a set, this is an empty dictionary. So if you think that how it is a dictionary, then you can just print it type of this dict. Okay, and I'm going to run it. We can use the shortcut F8 to run it. So class dict, here you can see that it is a class dict. Okay, I can use a clear message here, I guess CLEAR, and oh yes, we can make it clear. So here this is how you, I hope so that you know that it is now a dictionary. To make some empty set, we have to use the constructor set. At least I guess this. Actually, I don't know, but just let's try it. This, I am not actually that good in coding. I am learning just with you. Here you can see that it is set, but it is just printing set. Yes, it is printing the empty set, right? It is an empty set. So okay, all right, we are making a dictionary. So let's just make a dictionary, and this is an empty dictionary, and in this dictionary I'm going to store all the things that are given on the W3 school. First of all, we need to make brand is Ford. I don't know that much about cars, so that's why I'm just going to write just like that is written on the W3 schools website. Here ads are coming, so you can watch them also. I can't actually hide them because it is just a waste of time. So I do not want to waste my time anymore. Ford. All right, then we have to use the comma. We use comma if we want to add more keys and values. Okay, and then I have to use and to make another key. It is another key, and then I have to make value Mustang. I want to add some more key and values, so just like this we have to use another comma, and then I will use the year. Okay, I have written the year, and now I want to make it a string, because you can see that we have to make strings like this. At least the key should be string, I guess. I don't know that much, but for now we have to just select it and make it a string. Okay, we can use double quotes or single quotes, it is your own choice. Yeah. So and 1994 actually, actually I don't know that one. 1964. Okay, 1964. And then what we can do is just print this dictionary, and before running it I want to clear our terminal. I will run it, and here you can see brand is Ford, model is Mustang, and year is 1964. All right, just I am going to clear it again. And actually I don't think so. The CLS is also working here. Yeah, the CLS is also working here, is like in the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So dictionary here, what is dictionary? Now we are going to learn. It was just an example of dictionary, and now we are going to learn how the dictionaries are made, how dictionary works, and etc, etc. Okay, so dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. So we use key value pairs to store data in dictionaries. So dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pair. If you want to store data in a dictionary, we have to use the key value pairs. Okay, so a dictionary is a collection in which is ordered. Just like the list and tuple, dictionary is also ordered, changeable, and but it does not allow duplicates. Just like the mm, tuple, no, tuple allows duplicates. Actually, sets does not allow duplicates. So yeah, uh, that's it. As of Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. So from Python 3.7 version, uh, dictionaries are ordered. Before this Python, meaning in version 3.6 or an earlier, Python dictionaries were not ordered, they were unordered. Okay, so dictionaries are written with curly brackets as we have done above, and have keys and values, and they have key and values. So actually I have done it already. So this is the key and this is the value, but let's check it out, the W3 school is explaining this or not. So it's saying that create and print our dictionary, which we have already done. So I am going to just copy this for a comment, and I will make a comment here. Okay, and then I have done also this. So yes, this is what we have already done. All right, let's go ahead. Dictionary items. So dictionary items are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Let's see what is mean by ordered, what is mean by changeable, and what is mean by do not allow duplicates. Dictionary items are presented in key value pairs and can be referred to by using the key name. Okay, so just like in list and tuples, we can refer values by using their index. Here in dictionary we use the key instead of the index to refer a value or an item. So here we have keys and value pairs. Okay, we have print the brand value of the dictionary. If we want to print the, just like we do in the list and tuples, we use the variable name, then we use the square brackets, and then we use the index inside the square brackets to access a value. Here we can use the key instead of the index. Let's check it out how it is going to work. I will use the print function first of all, then we use the this underscore dict, which is a variable, then I will use the square brackets, and then I'm going to, they were actually accessing the value, this key, they were using this key to access the value, this value called Ford. But I'm going to use the model key, since model is a key, and of course we have to use it like this. And by the way, single and double quotes are considered the same. Okay, don't think that much about it. And if you have already watched my videos, then I hope you will know what is going to be the result. So I'm going to, and this will give us the value, not the key. we are actually using the index, and it will give us the value of the index. So here the index is a key which is model, and the value of this key is Mustang, so it should give us Mustang as a result. Here you can see it is giving us Mustang as a result. I can make it comment so that it does not run again and again, and I will also make it clear so that for next time you will see the results very clearly. Here we have the ordered or unordered. What is mean by ordered and unordered? As we have already read it above, read it above, actually not the read, but read it above, that 3.7 from Python version 3.7 dictionaries are ordered. Before it, before 3.7, the Python dictionaries were unordered. Okay, so when we see that dictionaries are ordered, it means that the items have a defined order, and that order will not change. So when we say that the order, that items have an order, so it means that it has a specified order, and this order will not be changed until we do it by ourselves. Unordered means that the items do not have a defined order. You cannot refer to an item by using an index, just like in sets we have done. So you can watch the previous videos and you will get the concept what is mean by ordered and unordered, especially if you see this the tutorials of sets. Actually the last video I didn't upload it because of some issues, but yeah, you can know I have already uploaded some videos of sets, so you can watch them and know what is mean by ordered and unordered. Okay, when we say changeable, dictionaries are changeable, meaning that we can change, add or remove items after the dictionary. So once we have created a dictionary, we can change its value, we can change, we can add a value to a dictionary, we can remove a value from a dictionary. How we can do it? We can learn it here. But if you have already watched my videos on tuples, which we have already done, so tuples are unchangeable. We cannot change its value, we cannot update the value, we cannot add a value, we cannot remove a value once a tuple is created. But just like list, we can also change, update, add, remove values in the dictionaries. Hope so you get the point what I am trying to make. Duplicates not allowed. Dictionaries cannot have two items with the same key. Yeah, so we cannot actually make duplicates key. We can have multiple same values, but do not duplicate the key. Okay, here you can see we have ear and we have ear, so both are same keys, so this is duplicates will overwrite. Okay, it will overwrite. So if we, let's check it out. Actually I don't know what is going to happen here, but let's just check it out. And if, as I have already told you, if you want to add more key and values, you have to use the comma first, and then you have to use the key. I am using the key which we have already used, and then I am going to just make it like this. I can't run it. Let's check it out what is going to be the answer. Here you can see, okay, sorry, I am actually running a Mustang. Okay, we have to just print the dictionary instead of printing just one value. Run it. Yeah, here you can see we have brand as Ford, model is Mustang, and year is 1998. So the year we have, it is meaning that it means that the value or the key we use uh, the most below, or the most latest will be used, will override the previous key. Here you can see it is returning or printing out the 1998 instead of 1964. So this is what we call overwrite. Okay, dictionary length. So if you want to find the length of a dictionary to determine how many items and a dictionary has, use the length function. So here we can use the print the number of items in the dictionary which we